Buting tao. Welcome to my vlog. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Just sharing you my Ade of Sunset in Residencia del Rio, Katalunan, Piquinho, Talomo District, Davao, Davao City. So I'm having my sunset rather from sunrise to sunset walking exercises. It's almost night. I think it's already past 6 o'clock in the evening. So this is my community, my new life, my new Shangri-La, my new heaven, my new Nirvana here in Davao, Residencia del Rio subdivision. It's an amazing life. I really love the unfolding events in my life done by Almighty Father, our Lord Jesus Christ, Creator of us all. It's sunset. So I love my walking exercise. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, so amazing life. No lesson plan, no CO, no school forms, no task to be done about schoolwork. Just rejuvenating, revitalizing, exercising, looking with this beautiful view and visiting places that I've never been there. So it's already night time. So by now, I have to end my vlog. As I share you my moments here, it's not really having what's this unfavorable weather here. It's favorable. Walang bagyo dito sa amin. No windy weather and no rain. Just a fine favorable weather. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Thank you for joining me, my walking exercise today, live and alive, here in Davao City. Your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, vlogger of the century, Ma'am Darna, the selfie queen. Signing off, don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my 2 pages, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, including my Facebook account, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay channel, I have 2 Mabuhay channel. The one with a yellow profile and the other one with the red count. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, Mabuhayers. Thank you, everyone, my FB friends, my careers, Kamabuhayers, Kamabuhay, and subscriber of my YouTube Mabuhay channel, followers, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Signing off. Retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay!